Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I'm pretty excited today because I had bought this HELIMX shaker cup. I've used a lot of different sports shaker cups mixing that protein before, but I am actually sold on this product because it does not use any kind of like internal like balls or like shaker pieces that get clogged up. And quite frankly, I've used a lot of different ones and they never seem to really fully blend everything the way that you want it to. This doesn't use any of that and it blends everything great. So these come in about 28-ounce pieces here. You got a lot of different colors you can do, and you just basically fill it up with whatever water you're going to do. Go ahead and mix your protein in here. I'm going to put 2 scoops of this protein in there. And again, this claims it can blend using a Vortex design because of how this is designed through here. It's kind of a helical pattern that through there. As you shake this up and down, it will blend this up without anything else. Screws on really well on the top. Made in the United States, which I love. There was not really any kind of major odor or anything. I did, of course, wash it before I used it. I like the fact that it's got the raised spout on the outside. Some of these don't have this raised spout where you can drink out of. Locks in nice and tight, and then it does have a nice area to hold on to here. But just by shaking this up and down like this, just for a few seconds, it's going to blend that in there like that. And now it's completely blended up, and you don't have to mess with it. I mean, I've used this thing for about 20 workouts so far. Blends everything up seamlessly, claims that it can blend peanut butter in there as well. I have not personally tried that, but if it can, I mean, is there anything it can't do? So really enjoy this product. I will be buying more of this and just thought you should know.